I want to be with you always and forever. Nothing in this world can replace you in my heart. I love you today, every day, and forever. Whenever I think of you, I always think about what good I did to have a beautiful angel like you. You come like strong lightning. Your impact has significantly changed my life for the better. That is why I will never get tired of thanking you for entering my life. Thank you for accepting everything that I am. You planted a seed deep in my heart. It has never stopped growing. Since then, I can only imagine loving you until be and